The goal behind the calibration is to connect your consciousness with the program. This program is not a magical, it's not a genie, somebody is sending behind some intentions. No, it's actually sending frequencies and sending intentions into the universe. However, it's also using your consciousness. Well, we think in different levels. We think in a conscious level, unconscious or subconscious level, and then a superconscious level. The conscious level, that I'm thinking about something now, I decide to do it, and then I do it. Okay, that's a conscious decision. A subconscious, or unconscious level, is when my behavior, some kind of behavior comes out. I don't know where it's coming from, but there is an order inside. There is some consciousness inside that I'm not aware of. So we call a subconscious or unconscious. And when I become aware of it, it becomes conscious. Superconscious, however, it's what I attract into my life, what I manifest into my life. So this is on a higher level. What we're doing here is we connect you consciously to the program by just focusing on the screen for about a minute. It's one minute, and then we're connected now to your consciousness. You do not need to do it again as long as you're logged in. When you log out, you'll have to do it again. Log out meaning that's it, disconnect me from the program, which sometimes you want to do. When you disconnect or when you log out, the intentions don't work also, because you need to do a calibration again. So all I have to do is you click on sending intention, and it will ask you that in order to send an intention, we need to do a calibration. So you click OK and just watch it, going through. It's about 1 minute, so I'll speed it up. Now you need to focus on the screen. Try not to think about anything else. Try to make your body open, not closed, and just watch the screen for 1 minute, and that's it. You need to only do it once. When you finish in the end, that's it. It will tell you that calibration is being done. You can go ahead now and send your intentions.